Hi, my name is Cubastic, and today I want to show you some easy but really cool patterns for your Rubik's Cube. For your first pattern, you'll only have to do 4 moves. It's that easy. Take the cube in your hands like that and turn the middle layer in any direction, for example, up. Now turn your middle layer in this plane. Now we need to reverse our first turn and then reverse our second turn. And that's it. As you see, it's a pretty simple but cool pattern. Each side has a center of a different color. To undo this pattern, you'll just have to choose a center, for example yellow. Move it to the yellow side. Then we see 2 blue edges, so we need to put a blue center here. Turn it like that. Then reverse our first turn and reverse our second turn. The second pattern looks cooler, but it's really easy as well. For that we need to turn our right face 2 times, then the left face 2 times, the up face and the bottom face 2 times as well. Then turn your front face 2 times, and then backside 2 times. This pattern is called the chessboard. As you see, the colors alternate each other on each side. Looks really cool and it's really easy to do. To reverse the cube to the default, you'll have to do the same movements. The right face 2 times, left, up, down, front, and back. The cube is solved. The third pattern is a bit harder than the first 2. You may not remember it on your first try, but however, watch how it's done. First, you need to turn your up face 2 times. Then turn the front face 2 times, and 2 times for the right face. After that, turn the up face counterclockwise. 2 times for left face. 1 clockwise turn for downside. And 1 clockwise turn for backside. Right side counterclockwise. Back clockwise. Right counterclockwise. Back clockwise. Right counterclockwise again. Down counterclockwise. The left face 2 times. And the up face counterclockwise. This pattern is called the cube in a cube. It looks like there's another cube inside the Rubik's Cube. And the same is on the other side. Solve the cube by reversing the algorithm. I doubt you've seen the next pattern somewhere, unlike the first 3. It's done with a special algorithm as well, and it looks really awesome, trust me. It's called the snake. To make it, you'll have to turn the upside clockwise, backside 2 times, left clockwise, down clockwise, back counterclockwise, front clockwise, left counterclockwise, down clockwise, up counterclockwise, then left counterclockwise, right clockwise, front counterclockwise, downside 2 times, and the right side counterclockwise. As you see, an infinite snake appeared, which is wrapped around the whole cube like it slithers all over. That's what the pattern is. Really cool. To return the cube to the default look, you'll have to reverse the algorithm as well. Right, down 2 times, front, right counterclockwise, left clockwise, up clockwise, down counterclockwise, left clockwise, front counterclockwise, back clockwise, down counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, turn backside 2 times, and up counterclockwise. The last pattern for today is called the cross. It's when each side has a cross like that. For that you'll have to turn left side 2 times, right side counterclockwise, back side 2 times, front 2 times, down 2 times, back 2 times, front 2 times, left 2 times, right 2 times, up 2 times, and turn the right side counterclockwise. As you see, each side has a cross. So guys, try to make this with your cubes, maybe you'll come up with your own patterns. I really hope that you enjoyed my video, and if you did, click that like button. I really appreciate when you do that. Also write something positive in the comments and subscribe to my channel so you will never miss my new videos. Take care!